Number 4 gives the statement, all of K's brothers can swim. Well, in order to compare that to the statements that they gave, which are all if-then statements, we need to translate this a bit into an if-then statement. So it could be rewritten as, if you are K's brother, then you can swim. Okay, and this is what's called, again, well, this is the given statement. Okay. Then you can do what's called the converse. Okay. Which is just interchanging the content of the if and then. Leave the if and then where they are, just change the rest of it. So the converse would look like, if you can swim, then you are K's brother. Okay. Another thing you can write from the given is what's called the inverse. Now I'm going to leave both of the contents in place, but I am going to negate both parts, which is to say, if you're not K's brother, then you cannot swim. Alright, and lastly, you can do both things and get what's called the contrapositive. Okay, so I'm going to interchange the content and negate. So, if you cannot swim, then you are not K's brother. Okay, now, to answer this question, we really don't care about Kay or her brothers, or we do care if like someone who's named is her brother, but we don't really care about whether the person can actually swim or not. What we care about is if the given statement is true, then out of the 3 new statements that I wrote, the converse, inverse, and contrapositive, only one of those 3 will then automatically be true as well. Okay, so if the given statement is true, then the contrapositive will automatically be true. The converse and inverse, maybe they're true, maybe they're not, don't really care. That's not the question. We just want an equivalent statement. So they could have said, which one is equivalent? Okay, they didn't have to say true, because if the given statement is true, the contrapositive is true. But if they had said the given statement is false, then automatically the contrapositive is false as well. Had they just said which one's equivalent, well, we don't care if it's true or false, we just care which one's equivalent, and the only one would be the contrapositive. So, in order to follow if you cannot swim, then you are not K's brother, that would have to be option A then. That's the only one that follows the format.